Make a quick video to show you how to quickly fill a check with no masking required. So I'm using Checkmate 2 by Permachink, and then what you need is a little foam brush like this and a cup of water. I'd suggest something disposable because you're going to get some material in there and I doubt you're going to want to drink out of it afterward. I'm going to fill up this little check right here. It's close to my door. It's not real large, but I like to fill them when they're close to the door to keep bugs and water from getting back behind the frame there. On a larger check, you'd want to first put your backer rod in before doing this. Lay down your bead of sealant. And the great part about this technique is you don't have to be too precise. As you can see, I'm trying to do this one-handed with my phone. And then take your foam brush, get it kind of saturated with some water, and then squeeze out some of the excess. And then you're going to go ahead and just paint across with your foam brush there. Again, clean off the excess that you just picked up in the water. Get it pretty clean. Squeeze out the excess water. Come back, make some passes until it's nice and clean. Doesn't take very long. You see it looks pretty good. Take a paper towel or rag or something, wipe off the excess water. Beautiful. Might be little spots you can touch up like that, but this is much faster than trying to mask it and fill it and do all that garbage. Alright, hope this helps.